I'm Mrs. Claypool and I teach second grade, and I decided today to make a tent, and I used just a sheet, something easy to clean up because whatever you take out you have to put away, right? So I have a sheet and a chair, and I used part of a door, and there's a few things to know about tents. First of all, you need to know that they fall, and then you have to keep trying until you get it right. I've already dropped this one like 3 or 4 times, maybe 5. Secondly, you need to make sure that you have air. Okay, you don't want to shut off all the air from your learning environment. Thirdly, if you're not allowed to set up maybe something like this, you could always just go with tuck your feet under your covers and lay on your belly and just have it pulled to where you can still breathe, and then it makes your own little tent. Okay, so there's a few things you can do when you have a tent. You can read a book, and a lot of my favorite books are still at school, but this is one of my favorite ones from at home because I like Disney princesses. You can also write. A lot of writers will go far away to write, and they get away from everybody and they find a place that they can write. So maybe you just need some space to be able to write. And like we have a little apartment that we live in with our family, and so sometimes we have to kind of separate our space so that we can all work on what we need to work on. And so I really think that building a tent makes reading and writing magical. And so I challenge you to make your own little space. And if you don't have a big sheet you could use, maybe you could use your bath towel and just hang it over something, and see what you can do and what kind of magic you can create while you are at home. I hope you all have a great day and a great week.